you've been asked is, let's say I am typing a docket. At that time, rather than choosing this, if I click on the description, now it pops up the description. Now I cannot work on it. The answer is, you shouldn't be clicking on the description before you finish choosing. Our recommendation is you first finish doing that, then click on the description so that you can work on the description. Now you can type your description, right? So again, to show the problem, when you are typing an docket, right, finish it and then click on the description, because if you don't do that, the pop-up here will not work once the description is popped up. So again, we recommend that you finish off this and then go to the description.